China's worst drought in half a century is reaching Shanghai. It's leaving millions without enough drinking water and affecting vast areas of farmland.
China has been hit by the worst drought in half a century, and there are no signs of a let-up. Food prices are rising. It's a major threat to the ruling regime's popularity.
China, facing its worst drought in half a century, is resorting to high-tech methods to make it rain. Meteorological departments are shooting rockets into the sky to trigger rainfall. It's a technique called cloud seeding, and it uses a chemical in those rockets to speed up the precipitation process. Over the weekend, Chinese officials launched more than 300 of these rockets, hoping it will cause rain. The drought has caused rivers in northern China to run dry, affecting millions of people and threatening the country's croplands.
CCTV, China Central Television.com, posted this on May 22nd, 2011. Zhejiang City in East China's Yangtze province carried out artificial precipitation on Sunday afternoon, which obtained rather good effects to some extent. Widespread rainfall brought to Zhejiang a precipitation of 13 to 22 millimeters. On the same day, the city of Yangtze in northern Jiangsu province, which had experienced a sustained drought, had a long aspired rainfall.